Hello everyone, welcome to the Intelligence for Maintenance Summit, a global virtual event for all the facility and maintenance management leaders out there. This event is organized by Infraspeak and the Intelligence for Maintenance community, a community that we are very proud of and that today counts with more than 700 members worldwide. If you haven't joined yet, you don't know what you're missing, but I can tell you right away. Industry news, free courses, talks with industry experts, special events, and much more. So really, what are you waiting for? Join us. Also, this is the first event of the IFM Tour 2023, fully dedicated to FM and maintenance professionals that will visit 7 cities around the world. Take a look. Amazing, right? Choose your event and register now to make sure you save your spot. We want everyone discussing, growing, collaborating, and shaping the future of FM together. So let's get started. There are a lot of great things coming today. Am I right, Anna?
That's true, Liliana. Hello, everyone. Today we have a full agenda with discussion panels in 4 different languages and all with English subtitles and speakers a bit from all over the world and with different backgrounds. 2 Fireside Chats with great professionals, and everything is interactive, so you can decide which one you would like to watch, and at the right time, just click on the link to join the talks. Oh, and don't forget to join our matchmaking program where you can get to know other professionals and do some business.
Exactly. You can join and have one-to-one meetings with everyone all over the world, so make sure you join. And last but not least, we will also have a very important launch on a new revolutionary platform capability, which will change how managers and vendors collaborate. Stay tuned to know more. This will be a very interesting afternoon and the perfect warm-up for the in-person event. But enough with the conversation. Let's start with the Infraspeak CEO, Felipe Ávila da Costa, who wants to give you a warm welcome. See you in a bit.
Hi, everyone. Thanks a lot for the introduction. Really happy to be here for this IFM Summit Global and the launch of the Infraspeak network. Since 1 year ago, when we did our first IFM tour, 10 events, 4 countries, 600 people, a lot has happened. It was very, very interesting to engage with many people and to see all that networking and this knowledge sharing. So definitely looking forward for this new tour in 2023. But before we get to that, let me talk a little bit about our last year at Infraspeak. We did a lot of great things, a lot of things that we are very proud of. Let me show you some of the highlights. First, the customers, always our top priority. We actually closed 200 new customers across the world. I know some of you are here with us, so thank you a lot for your trust and for being here with us today. Out of those more than 200 customers, we actually end up growing to 7 new countries, bringing it to a total of 27. As you know, we have dedicated operations and teams focus on 5 key regions as the United Kingdom, Spain, Portugal, and Brazil, and more recently France. But it's always great to see that technology, our platform, flying across the globe and having customers all around. We also have been growing internally. So we have 42 new Infraspeakers, bringing it to a total of 170 specialists. We keep growing. So check out our job offer. Please recommend people you believe may be a good fit. We are always looking for great talent to help us grow. And we are also growing with partners. So we have partners in 4 different continents. Some of them joined us during 2022. Thanks a lot for being with us, supporting our customers and helping us grow, and of course, growing together with us. That said, we also have tech partners. As you know, we keep enhancing the capabilities of our platform by integrating with other solutions, with other products. So we added a crazy amount of 76 new integrations during the last year, making it to a total of 101. And we are always looking for more. So if you know great solutions that you want to integrate with Infraspeak, put us in touch with those teams. We're definitely looking forward to engage in those initiatives. So many of great things, many of great launches in the product as well. But as we say internally, we are only 1% done. So we know that the exciting times have only begun. Talking about 2023, we definitely believe that's the year of collaboration. As we get out of this pandemic world or this post-pandemic world, we see that internally within the different teams, collaboration is critical, as always was. But we see more and more collaboration between facility owners, facility operators, and vendors, service providers, supporting many different operations. And we definitely believe there's going to be major improvements in that areas in the year ahead, as we need to come closer to each other. That said, we believe people and technology should work together on that by cutting waste, improving processes, and creating better solutions for your customers, more personalized, more efficient, and so on and so on. That said, we believe the future and the present, by the way, is all about tackling the challenges that the maintenance 5.0, as we discussed last year, are bringing to us. And service managers and service providers should collaborate more and more to overcome those challenges. That said, what Infraspeak is building and supporting is a people-focused network. And we're going to be talking later about the Infraspeak network. Bear with us for more details. I think you will enjoy. That said, and talking about networks, let me talk about the IFM community, the Intelligence for Maintenance community. It's already a community with more than 700 members across the globe, especially in the UK, Portugal, Spain, and Brazil, where you can find plenty of really interesting content, free courses, webinars, conferences, plenty of networking, plenty of knowledge sharing, job offers, and so on and so on. If you are not part of that community, you should. So join us today. And talking about community and talking about how the community started and how it's going to grow, we should talk about the Intelligence for Maintenance Tour. So as you may know, the community was launched in the 2022 tour. And we are now bringing that community together online today in these events, but also in 7 face-to-face events across the globe. So we're going to have an event in Lisbon, in Portugal, an event in Madrid, in Spain, London, in the United Kingdom, Paris, in France, but also Luanda in Angola, Cape Town in South Africa, and São Paulo in Brazil. So it's really great to see that initiative and that community expanding to more regions, to more countries, and see it grow. So join us in your local events, as we're going to have plenty of content and a lot of network and business being done. That said, as I said before, we are only 1% done in Infraspeak. So let's see what the future brings for us. Success is always achieved within the help of a network. So we do these kind of initiatives to support you, build your network, your company, build your network, and of course, making the product support it through the Infraspeak network as well. That said, the question is to know if you are ready for the ride today with this event, ready for the Intelligent for Maintenance Tour 2023 that we are starting today, and also to the ride that the future of our industry will bring us. I'm sure you are. So stay with us for the special announcements we are going to have in the end of the session today. I firmly believe this will change how facility managers and vendors collaborate in the future, and we want you to be part of that transformation. And for now, for the event today, we're going to have 4 panels. We decided to make it inclusive. So we're going to have 4 panels in 4 different languages. We definitely see a lot of experience and knowledge worth sharing globally across our operations in the different countries. So we're going to have 1 panel in English, 1 panel in Spanish, 1 panel in Portuguese, and 1 panel in Portuguese from Brazil, with very, very interesting panelists, speakers that we are looking forward to see. So stay with us. Thank you a lot for being with us across the year, and thank you a lot for being with us today.